What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take advantage of the bed rack not being on the Raptor to go ahead and install these Builtright Industries bed panels. I picked these up recently, haven't had a chance to put them in, but now that the bed rack's off, it'll make it a little bit easier. So we're going to jump right on into it and get this installation done. So first off, I do apologize for the wind. It is a little windy out here, but I wanted to go ahead and get these panels strapped in tonight. Installation is gonna be super straightforward. All you're gonna need tool-wise is a T30 Torx bit, a ratchet, and or an impact if you'd like to do it a little quicker. All we're gonna be doing for installation is removing the factory strap points here in the bed, as well as this one down here in the corner. Once those are removed, we'll go ahead and pull all those off. The panels are gonna go recessed in behind those mounts, installing the mounts and the stock hardware on top of them, and everything is finished. So it's gonna be super straightforward, very simple of an installation, but it's gonna give us the opportunity now to mount anything from tow straps, propane tanks, to whatever else you can think of on these panels. So I bought the 4-panel setup, so it's gonna have the 2 larger ones here in the back side of the bed, as well as the smaller ones up there in the front. So it'll give lots of opportunity from anything from max tracks to whatever you can think of. And there you have it, just like that. These 2 are installed, so we're gonna go ahead and jump onto the other side of the truck now and get the other 2 done. And just like that, you can see we got all 4 panels fully installed in the back of the bed. They're really cool. They're super stout. Really excited to give them a try. As I said, I really wanted to get the 4-panel set, even though the front ones are a little small here, but it gives the ability to mount the max tracks in between the 2 panels here. So looking forward to that. I've seen a bunch of people mount anything from high lift jacks to whatever else you can think of, shovels, axes, whatever. So these panels seem like they're pretty stout. They'll hold up to about anything you guys really need. I'm only gonna do a propane tank on this side, max tracks on this side. But yeah, I'll let you know how they actually work and all that stuff. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys are interested in the Builtright panels, they're anywhere from eBay to Amazon to other third-party sites, or you can get them directly through Builtright Industries. Or like me, you can get them on Marketplace. So guy sold his truck, didn't need them, so picked up this set here. So cool, whatever, save a few bucks. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for tons of more Raptor content to come. Thanks, guys. Bye.